Hey all, welcome back to My Happy Umbrella. My name is Rashi and today I'm gonna share this look which is Karwachauth makeup look for beginners. Karwachauth is coming after a few days and I hope all of you have selected your outfits for the special day. Most of us wear red color on this day, so I have created a look which goes with red color. I'm not a makeup person myself, so believe me, if I can do this makeup, you can also do this. I'm gonna add all the products I have used today in the description box. And still, if you have any questions to ask, reach me out on Instagram. My ID is on the screen and in the description box. So let's get started. But before we do that, hit the like button and the subscribe button if you are new here. Done? So let's begin. Before starting makeup, you need to clean and moisturize the face first. We will start from the eye makeup first, and for that, I'm using Maybelline Concealer. We need to dab the concealer on the eyelids and then blend it with the fingertip. It will make your eyelids bright and give it a good base for the eyeshadow. For eye makeup today I'm using NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette and I'm using these colors to create brown smoky eyes. First of all, I'm going to put this matte brown eyeshadow on the lower and middle of the eyelid. Once it is done, I'm going to blend the edges of the shadow with this round brush to give it more natural look. Now repeat the same step on the other eye. Once it is done, it will look like this. Now for smoky look, take this black color eyeshadow and put it in the corner of the eye, making a V shape with a flat brush. Later blend it in with the round brush. Now put this shimmery copper color on the tip of your finger to the middle of the eyelid and blend the edges. Now put this highlighting golden color on the bottom edge of your eyebrow and it will highlight that portion of your eyes. Give your eyes little definition by using this brown eyeliner on the upper and lower lid of the eyes. I'm using Sephora eyeliner for this. You can also use black eyeliner in place of brown if you like it. Now finish your eye makeup with a good coat of mascara. I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational here. Eyes are done, now we will start the face makeup. First of all, put Orange Corrector on the dark areas of the face like under eyes and blemishes or spots or the sides of the nose. I'm using one by MAC here. Now it's time to apply foundation. I'm using one from NYX. It's a liquid foundation and gives light coverage. I like to apply foundation like this, first with the fingers and then use brush to blend it well. After foundation, we will apply compact to set the makeup base. I'm using MAC Studio Fix in shade NC40. Now we will apply bronzer to recreate the natural shadows of the face. I apply it on the sides of the forehead, sides of the nose bridge, down to the cheekbone and on the jawline. To fill my eyebrows, I'm using Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. Now it's time to put some blush on. Here I'm using one from Colorbar in warm shade. For highlighting, I'm using this palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm using a golden highlighter to apply on my cheekbone and nose bridge. And now the final step. To do the lips, I'm using a nude matte shade by Maybelline. You can also use bold red shade if you like. The makeup is done and it's time to get ready. Don't forget to put sindoor and bindi to get that lovely Karwachauth look. So guys, this is the complete makeup look. I hope you all like it and find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy these kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Do follow me on Instagram for some interesting lifestyle posts because I'm more active there. I will see you all in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and happy Karwachauth in advance.